How to change language on your PayPal account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your preferred language on PayPal. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and type in paypal.com. And now you just have to log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, wait for it to load out your home page, and your home page should look something like this. Now to change your preferred language, you first have to access your settings menu by tapping on the gear icon on the top right besides the notification icon. And once you tap on the gear icon, it will open up your settings. On your settings, you just have to edit your language. So scroll down a bit and here you'll see language. Click on this drop down, and if you have any other language available, you can choose it from there. So it usually shows what nationality you are and choose your language accordingly. And if you want to add other languages, you can do that here as well and choose your preferred language from here. And that's how you change your language on PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.